Namaste students, in this video we are going to see 8th problem in exercise 13.1. From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter. So the height of the cylinder is 2.4 centimeter and the diameter is 1.4 centimeter and the diameter is 1.4 centimeter. A conical cavity of the same height and the same diameter is hollowed out. We are going to take it out. Okay. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square. First, draw the total surface area of the remaining solid. First, this portion. And this portion. This is the total surface area of the remaining solid. So what we have to find, children? So we have to find curved surface area of a cylinder. Okay. And we have to find curved surface area of a cone. For this, what we can do, children? For this base of cylinder, we have to find base of cylinder. So base of cylinder look like a circle. It look like a circle. Okay. So we have to add pi r square also. Curved surface area of a cylinder plus curved surface area of a cone plus pi r square plus pi r square. Clear, children? Write it. Total surface area of remaining solid shape is equal to curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone plus area of a circle. Okay. So base of cylinder. So base of cylinder look like a circle. So we have to add area of a circle. Clear? So first write the formulas. So first, curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r h and curved surface area of a cone is pi r l, and then area of a circle is pi r square. Now write r radius for the cylinder. Radius for the cylinder is 0.7. Radius for the cylinder is 0.7 and the height is 2.4 centimeter. 2.4 centimeter. Okay. And then for cone, the radius is same only, 0.7 centimeter, and the slant height. Children, you have to find the slant height. How we can find the slant height? By using r and h. H is 2.4 centimeter. So h square plus r square. So h square is 2.4 square plus r square is 0.7 square. 0.7 square. Then 2.4 square is 5.76 plus 0.7 square is 0.49. 0.49. If you add, you will get 6.25. 6.25. Then if you take a square root, you will get 2.5 centimeter. That is, slant height is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Okay. And then Radius for the circle is 0.7 only, 0.7 centimeter. So now you have to substitute everything. Now you have to substitute everything in the formula. Okay, so now listen carefully. 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.7 into 2.4 plus 22 by 7 into 0.7 into 2.5 plus 22 by 7 into 0.7 into 0.7. If you can cancel, means cancel it. 7 0 1 time 7 0.1 and 7 0.1, and write the remaining things. Write the remaining things to do. 2 into 22 is 44 into 0.1 into 2.4 plus 22 into 0.1 into 2.5 plus 22 into 0.1 into 0.7. If you multiply, you will get 10.56 plus 5.50, and then for this 1.54. So if you add everything, you will get 17.60 centimeter square. Clear, children? Is there any doubt? So the total surface area of the remaining solid is equal to curved surface area of a cylinder, plus curved surface area of a cone plus curved surface, that is area of the circle, base of cylinder. Are you all clear, children? Thank you.